Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I think they're in the finish up phase. He's working here. That means the pipe is finished. Actually, he's picking up the steel plates. The guy you may have seen was sweeping the streets. Yeah, the fiber guys are across the street. It's the same as yesterday. I'm going to go down. There'll be a pause. I'm going to go down, turn around, come back so you can see the reconstruction of my little knoll facing the highway. All right. They just had a red light up there. Look to the right. So they're reconstructing my little hill there in the front. They're reconstructing it. They dug it all out. You can see they're doing that. They're in the, yep, they're reconstructing it. And you can see that they're working here. And those big metal things are for going into the hole when they put the pipes in and a person has to get down in there. Steve AB4L, going to be saying goodbye to them. Thank you for the beautiful work you've done. Saying see you in 73. Okay, right here, these guys are the fiber, and my knoll right there directly across looks like it's substantially restored. I'm wondering how the sun is. But they're still working down there to the right where it blends with the gully that goes down to the old riverbed, stream bed. There's too much traffic for me to pull out. You'll see what I mean just about now. Hey, I need some lumber. Give you a chance to see how they work. Okay, now we can do it. Sweeping the curb. Okay. And we see more activity. Okay, here we go. Just was talking with Scott. They got the cones up. They're doing the finishing work of the landscaping. All this stuff is... Keep to the left of the cones. Please do not crash into the truck with the arrow sign. We're coming up to a red light. That's because of the school bus. This is, yeah, it's 3:30. It's time for the school bus runs. So you're getting a feeling for what all the equipment is accumulated there, and they're raking off up there. Shaping it, sweeping. They'll be putting down the straw mats for the seating next. Steve AB4L saying see you in 73.